Introduce yourself. From Malaysia. You're from what country? Malaysia! What again? Again? Palay? It's not the Philippines. Philippines! Contestant number 8, can you join us on stage? Where's here? Play! Okay. Pose first. Pose first. And then your camera use. Okay. Pose. Pose. Okay, Mama. Contestant number 8. Okay. What questions? Audience, what do you like to question her? Okay. What question do you like, miss? Okay. What question? Are you a machine? Are you a machine? Okay, thank you. Contestant number 8. Wait, contestant. No.
Contestant.
Bye. Yay!
Mag-monologo na lang kayo. Day, mag-monologo na lang kayo mga day.
There's a question. Okay. The question is. Okay. What first? Commercial. No, I didn't stumble. Okay, question came from our audience. Oh, you couldn't read this. Okay, okay, question. Nangamit yung camera. Bukan natin dahil. Okay? Question tayo. Kumagin dahil. Okay. Monkey dahil. Isunggoy. Okay, the question. What's the question? Are you a machine? Machine. What kind of machine are you? Machine gun. Okay. Machine for factory of baby. Okay, thank you. Any para malipakyaw lang. Okay, what's that? Yeah, so stop that.
Back forward. Day. Back forward, day.
Camera ba yan? Okay, move here, guys. Okay, what do you call this? Case. From what?
From there, Miss Manada. Her hair.
I don't see it. I arco. Don't know the arco.
Uy.
Okay, the talent show is over, guys. Okay, talent show lang ba yun? Talent show.
Answer ko. Question and answer portion.
Okay, wait.